How to buy Swarm token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before we start, this is not before going and buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screen here. It's created just 8 hours ago and increased by 300% in the last 24 hours. Also, this token trending number 11 in the base section. To be able to buy this token, copy the token on this from here. Go and open your WEEX wallet. Now select the base as a network from here. As you can see, click on this plus icon, paste the token address here, and click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet, and as you can see, search for your token called Swarm. So after you find it, just click on it. As you can see, now click on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDC, and make sure that you have enough USDC on your wallet. Now here, type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. As you can see here, click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Swarm token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.